Good day, lovely people. This is Margarita. I'm back with another tutorial to show you how to do just a simple updo in a ponytail style. So got a little secret behind my ponytails, and I love them. Quick, easy, doesn't cost a lot of money to put together. You probably already have these products in your cabinet or something like that. If not, it's definitely reasonable prices for the products that I use. So anyway, with further ado, let's get started. So you can see that I've already washed my hair and conditioned it and everything, and I've already pre-moistened my hair. But these are some of the products that I'm going to be using, that I've used and going to use on my hair today. This is the ORS. This product is a great product for moisture, and I like this product because it just seals moisture into the hair. It's creamy, but it's not greasy, which is a good thing. And it's intense moisture. It's probably around $7 to $8 or something like that, and you don't have to use a lot of it. The next thing that I'm using is the Shine Jam. This one is the Magic Fingers Stasha Harris. You can see it right here. Some of you already probably have this product, and reason being you might have this product is because it's mostly used for braiders. So I'm not sure if you can see this as well. I'll zoom in just a little bit. This is that, and I'll list it, what products I've used at the bottom, so you can be able to tell what I used. The other thing I'm going to be using, people may know this product, is the Eco Styles, and this is the pink color brand of it. This is for coily and curly texture hair. The last one that I'm going to be using is the Maury's, and everybody's pretty much familiar with Maury's products. Is Beeswax. This here, I love this one, is because it is black, and it's mostly for like edges. You can see there it's the Maury's black, and I like this one because it does black. It is black, and it's for my color hair. So I'm going to be using that to blend in some of my light hair that I have in certain areas, so that it looks like I have hair, although it's growing back, because I'm one of those people that damaged their edges back in the day. So they're growing back slowly. I have a couple of little tricks that I've been using in order to grow back certain parts of my hair. But anyhow, so I'm going to take this off. This thing was trapping all of the moisture in and keeping it wet until I get to doing this tutorial. You can see I'm combing it. And this is going to be putting it up in a bun. I'm not going to say ponytail, but bun. I'm taking all my hair, just putting it up, and I'm going to be using some of this Shine to help lie it down. This Shine braiding stuff. It's not greasy. It's easy to use. It's not sticky. So it's not going to cause damage to my hair. Well, at least mine. So the next, I'm going to add some moisture too. And that's this creamy based ORS that I showed you in the beginning that I'm going to be using. And a little of this Eco Styles. As you can see, it's clear. It's very clear. So as I put this up, you can see my hair. It's growing back. I cut it very, very short, or balded. Not balded, but I cut it very low. I cut it all off about 3 years ago. 2019 in October. And I went through a major crisis in my life at that point. So, we women tend to do something drastic when something drastic happens in our life, and tend to do it with either a makeover or with our hair. So I just started over, cut my hair. It was liberating, and I felt better after that. Now my hair is just growing back better now, and it's just at a greater state. I'm using some of this shine, and see it's starting to gather in. And my hair has many different textures. I would say it have like 3 different textures. It has a very coarse texture, but then when it's wet, it has a very extra soft texture like my mom has. But yeah, so it's very funny. So in certain areas I have certain types of hair textures. I'm pretty sure a lot of you do have the same thing too. So, and that just comes from a mixture of your bloodline, people in your family, and you carry their genes. So I hope this is starting to look good. And now I'm going to use some of this beeswax, this black beeswax. It's amazing. You can see when I start to put this on how much it's changing that area. You see how it looks like I have something there? It's not a spot where I'm trying to fill in. It looks like dry land. You can see right there. So I'm going to smooth that in. Look how good that stuff lays it down and blends in to my scalp, just kind of like a fuller or a filler. It just fills in really well. Look at her. Girl got some edges in her scalp and looks natural too. This is amazing stuff. My God. And then what I'm going to do is take my comb and just make it blend in just a little better. And look at that. My goodness. It's the best thing I've ever had in a long time. Oof, look at there. Wow. I'm definitely going to keep this as a always stocked in my closet of hair products, because it just works wonders. Wonders. Let me just put some right here too. And there. Yeah, it's starting to come all together. The hair is, oh my goodness, it's not lengthy enough for this ponytail, so that's why I'm having to keep going back over, rubbing it, combing it, so it'll all marry together the way that it should. I'm not going to put too much here, but okay. Alright. And she is doing her thing. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to take this rubber band or this hair bow. It's elastic hair bow to help. And it's not going to be harsh on my, I'm not going to tighten it so tight. Break my follicles. It's important to not do that, because otherwise you're damaging your scalp. You're damaging the follicles in your hair. So I got that in good enough. And I'm tightening it good enough where it's not too much. It's not too, I'm not heavy-handed, but I'm tightening it good enough where it's going to stay. So here, just gonna pull it just enough just to make a knot and stay, because I just want a knot there, and you'll see why in a minute. I wanted that knot right there So it's going to serve as an anchor to the ponytail that I'm going to create. So alright. And she is ready. Like Tiffany Haddish says, she's ready. Okay. I'm very hairy on the sides of my hair, except for those spots where I need them to, which are my edges. All right. Great job. If you're doing this along with me, just make sure you can use a scarf to wrap your hair, which is a good thing, because if you wrap it, then right now we're just doing a quick tutorial. So the next thing we're going to use is a Afro twist braid hair texture. This is similar to my scalp, the hair that's coming out of my head, and it comes 2 in a pack. So see this here, the rubber band, I'm going to keep that on there, and this is where I'm going to anchor my hair. And so, and it can split in 2, or at least split it in 2, so that you can use it properly. And I'm going to wrap it around the hair the opposite way, and then we'll twist it just a little bit. You can see where I'm twisting it. And then tuck it underneath once that ends. And then the other one, I'm going to go the opposite way. Just a light twist, just to give it some anchor. And then, so right now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and tuck this in right in here. Okay. And I use the Femi pack, like I said, it's this one here. And I'll list it at the bottom. And as I tucked it in, you can see there's a natural look. You can see it's the same texture. I'm going to curve it around like that. Now it does make a poofiness right here at the top, but I tend to just kind of tuck it in a little bit. And then I take a big jumbo bobby pin. You can see that it's a big one. You can find them at the beauty store. And I tuck it in just like that. Okay. And I'm going to do maybe about 3 more, maybe 4, just to give it some secureness there. You can see it blends in so well with my own hair. I get so many compliments from this look. So many. So, yeah, this is so adorable and so cute. But you can wear it anywhere. It's an anytime, anywhere, anything type of look. And let me show you these smaller versions of the curved bobby pins. And I got a pack from CVS. You can see they have a curviness to them. And I bend the larger ones just like this. Just take it in, just a little tilt to it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a winner. And you can't even see the Barbie pins. My hair is still coming loose. But like I said, just secure. If your hair is longer than mine, you may not have this issue. But maybe do it the night before. This way you have your hair laid down and ready to just insert the hair into your hair for your look, for a quick and easy look. But yep, this is my go-to look every single time. And yeah, sometimes I'll take this just to tuck it in. There we go. So you can see there. Don't even see any Barbie pins. And you might see my hair string out a little bit, but I can easily handle those. You can probably get a clip like this. If you're on the go and you really need to put your hair up, you can probably throw this in there, and it's maybe the same color, just to hold it in place. And there you have it. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have any questions concerning this look, I'll be able to answer them. Jot them down below in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If there's some certain looks or things that you want to see, let me know, and I'll be able to, start putting together some videos for you on that. I'm back. I'm back and I'm strong. I know I've been gone for about 2 years, and I'm here. All right, and I'm showing up. All right, thank you so much, and you all have a wonderful rest of your week. All right, thanks.